Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off login alert notifications on the Facebook app for iOS and Android devices. So if you do not want to receive a login notification sent to your email or phone every time you log into your account, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to set that up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon on the top right. Scroll down and select the Settings and Privacy button. And then you want to select the Settings button at the top. Underneath Account Center, select the See More in Account Center entry in here. And then where it says Account Settings, select the Password and Security button. Underneath Security Checks, select the Login Alerts field. So from here, you can then select your account and then add or remove different login alert notifications depending on the severity type of the notification at hand. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.